Hi guys, welcome to the channel KSVSTUDYPOINT. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe, share, like, comment for more updates and hit the bell icon. Okay, today let us know about active voice and passive voice. Before learning about active voice and passive voice, let us know about some terms. They are subject, verb, object. Okay, now we will learn what is subject. Who or what performs the action of the verb is called as subject. Point to remember, this always comes in the beginning of the sentence. Now we will learn about verb. Verb is the action word. Example, playing, running, etc. Okay, now what is meant by object? Whoever or whatever receives that action is called as object. Okay, now we will go with the example, that is Reena painted the house. In the given example, Reena is performing the action, so Reena is subject. Painted is action word, so it is verb. House is receiving the action, so it is the object. Now let us learn about active voice in brief. Okay, after learning these three terms, you has come to know that what is subject, what is verb and what is object. Now we will learn about active voice. In active voice, the subject is doing the action. Okay, the object is receiving the action. Okay, in active voice, the subject is doing the action, the object is receiving the action. This is a very important points to remember. Okay, now we will go with the example, that is Ram kicked the ball. Here in this example, Ram is subject and subject is performing the action, and ball is the object and object is only receiving the action. So clearly it is a active voice. Okay, here we have to remember the example and what is subject, what is verb and what is the object. Okay, I think you understood what is meant by active voice. Okay, now we will go with an important other topic, that is passive voice. Okay, in passive voice, the subject is receiving the action. Okay, the object is performing the action. Remember, in passive voice, the subject is receiving the action, the object is performing the action. Okay, these are the 2 points to remember. Now we will go with the example, the same example. The ball was kicked by Ram. It is a passive example. Okay, here the ball is the subject and subject is receiving the action here. Okay, and Ram is the object and object is only performing the action in passive voice. So clearly it is a passive voice. Okay, I think you understood the difference between active voice and passive voice clearly. Okay, now some points to note. They are the very important points in writing the active voice and passive voice. Okay, now we will see one by one what are the points to remember while converting active voice into passive voice. Okay, the first one is subject changes into object. Very important, that is subject changes into object. Okay, now we will go with the next one. Okay, this is also very important point. Object changes into subject. Okay, object changes into subject. First one is subject changes into object, object changes into subject while converting into active to passive. Okay, the third one is in passive voice, add the preposition by. Okay, in passive voice, add the preposition by. Okay, these are the 3 different points to be noted while writing active voice and passive voice. Very important topics. Okay, very important points to remember while writing active voice and passive voice. Subject changes into object, object changes into subject. In passive voice, add the preposition by. I hope you understood the content. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, share and like and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.